Hey everyone. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to create and send a customer quote inside QuickBooks, the 2026 layout. It's pretty simple once you see where everything lives. So let's jump in. So first thing on the left menu, you'll head over to the sales area. This is where all your customers, invoices, and your quotes live. Next, click the New Transaction button at the top right and choose Estimate. QuickBooks still calls quotes estimates, even in the newest layout. Now just pick the customer you're sending the quote to. If they're brand new, you can add them right here without leaving the page. It's super quick. All right, from here, enter the products or services you're quoting. Add the quantity, price, and any notes you want them to see. You can also adjust the date or estimate number if you need to. Keep things organized. And once everything looks good, hit Save and Send. QuickBooks will show you a preview email so you can tweak the message before it goes out. After you send it, you can track the quote's status under the Sales tab. It'll show whether the customer viewed it or accepted it, which makes follow-ups a lot easier. And that's basically it. You're all set to create clean, professional quotes in QuickBooks anytime. Thanks for watching, and hope this helped.